Warning: disconnect the electrical power to the mixer and follow lockout, tagout procedures. New bowls and agitators should be washed thoroughly with hot water and mild soap, then rinse with either a mild soda or vinegar solution, and then rinsed with clear water before use. This cleaning method should also be used before mixing egg whites or whole eggs. Do not clean aluminum agitators in a dishwasher. The mixer should be wiped down daily with a clean, damp cloth. Do not clean the mixer with scouring powder or a scouring pad. Do not spray the mixer with a hose. To remove the wire cage for cleaning on 12 to 40 quart mixers, rotate the wire cage to your left. Lift the wire cage up to clear the carriers from the drip cup and pull away from the machine. The wire cage can be washed in the sink, rinsed, and dried with a cloth. For 60 to 140 quart mixers, remove the wire cage by turning it left until the front center retainer shoe reaches the gap in the ridge of the planetary drip cup. Pull the cage down until it clears the drip cup and pull clear of the agitator shaft. While the wire cage is removed, you can clean the splash guard with a clean, damp cloth. Reattach the wire cage on 12 to 40 quart mixers by positioning the 3 escape slots in the drip cup with the wire cage carriers. Lower the wire cage and turn to the right to the front center position. Reattach the wire cage on 60 to 140 quart mixers by positioning the front center retainer shoe to align with the ridge gap in the planetary drip cup. Lift the wire cage to pass the front center retainer shoe through the gap and rotate to the right until all retainer shoes are on the ridge and moving freely. Reconnect the power supply for the next use.